Hello, friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Snapchat quickly. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on the settings icon in the top right corner under the My Account section, tap on Name. Now, edit your first and last name as you prefer. Once done, click the Save button, and your new name will be updated instantly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.